I'm really excited to be checking out the brand new Aer City Pack Pro 2 Ecopak Edition today, since the standard version is one of my all-time favorite bags. Last time we looked at the City Pack Pro 2, we packed it up for a weekend trip, but today we're going to push the limits a little bit and pack it up for a 2-week trip. Thanks to Aer for sending me this bag to check out. If you love this thing as much as I do, be sure to snag one by using the affiliate link in the description. The Aer City Pack Pro 2 Ecopak Edition comes in at 18 inches by 12 inches by 7 inches with a total capacity of 24 liters, and the bag weighs 2.73 pounds. The exterior of the bag is made with Challenge sailcloth's Ecopak EPX 400, which is the world's only durable and waterproof fabric made from 100% recycled polyester fiber and film. Each yard of Ecopak upcycles about 20 plastic water bottles into technical textiles, which according to Challenge sailcloth has twice the abrasion resistance compared to 420D nylon. You'll find the usual high-end YKK waterproof zippers along with Duraflex hardware, and this version of the bag comes in one colorway, the Coyote you see here. The City Pack Pro 2 Ecopak Edition will run you $249 US. Now let's check out some of the features of the bag. You have a slim front pocket, a front admin pocket with space for notebooks and tech essentials, as well as a removable key leash. You have water bottle pockets on each side of the bag, grab handles on each side, as well as one on the top of the bag. There are tons of different latch points, a small sunglasses pocket on the top. The main pocket is going to open clamshell style and features a few internal zipper pockets. There's a padded and suspended laptop compartment, and the back panel and straps are going to be some of the most padded and comfortable that you'll find. Top it off with a sternum strap, and that's the City Pack Pro 2 Ecopak Edition in a nutshell. Now let's pack this thing up for a 2-week trip to see what we can fit inside. Remember, everyone packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. Also to note, I bring laundry strips to do sink laundry about halfway through the trip, so we'll be packing about 6 days worth of clothing. So that's the brand new Aer City Pack Pro 2 Ecopak Edition. Let me know in the comments what you think of this bag. Do you think it's going to fit everything you'll need for a 2-week trip? Is this new colorway and material better than the Cordura, X-Pack, and Ultra versions that are already out? Let's discuss. And quickly before we go, let's just talk about what I've been listening to this week, and it's Fleetwood Mac's 1975 self-titled album. Now, this is the first album to feature Lindsey Buckingham and Stevie Nicks in the group, and while there are some great tracks from the older blues version of the band, this classic lineup is really the best version of Fleetwood Mac in my opinion. This album, Rumors, and Tusk are all classics, but this is the one I always find myself reaching for when I want to hear some Fleetwood Mac. Tracks like Monday Morning, Blue Letter, Say That You Love Me are some of my favorites off this album and some of my favorites that they wrote. The songwriting on this is just next level, and it's hard to imagine pop music reaching these heights again. As always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.